Box2M now.
Hello everybody, I'm Alex from Box2M. I've seen everybody doing wearables, trackers, gadgets, toys, games and so on. We don't do that. So we should either leave or stay. We decided to stay and explain about industrial automation. We design such kind of IoT devices which are usable for industrial customers. And when I mean industrial customers, I do mean a couple of verticals: energy, utilities, telecom, automation, factory automation, and so on. Here are the 60% of the money from the world, not in the consuming part. And those industries belong to legacy rigid technology, which creates a lot of dependencies with the current suppliers, which are very expensive, of course. Well, they look also for smart solutions, open, flexible, secured if possible, and of course, cost competitive. Here we are. We have 3 innovation patents in some of those devices. We have a series of devices from M0 to M6. You still can see it on our booth. They are all sold, but we can produce again. And we address with those the industries I've mentioned before. Again, energy, utilities, telecom, and factory automation. Regarding the current customers, we have NDAs with 2 big customers, global scale or European scale. One is coming from utility. January, we'll have 4 systems in 4 factories doing the energy efficiency part. The other one is called IBM. And we'll expose our systems in their innovation center as industrial IoT. There are not too many with industrial IoT. That's a good part still, but an opportunity for you to start to deploy. And we look also to work with system integrators from expected countries or less expected countries, because we have a strong network from our previous experience. We are also beta testers from some cloud platforms and beta testers for LoRa, low power radio networks, and a little bit far than the operator that you know so well about. You'll hear much more about that in the future. The revenue model, it's a business to business. We deal with system integrators, utility providers, telecom operators, and technology vendors like. It's up to them to deal with regulators, local authorities, rollout part, support, and so on. We try to provide the best technology, even if we are just a startup yet. We sold it as a device, embedded or standalone, as a service, device plus software, and we are quite flexible to customize solutions up to the scale and size of the customer. We target the global market for sure, and our competitors are quite big. The smallest is 2.5 billion. The biggest is 150 plus billion. We are just a startup. That's the funny part. Well, what do we need? 500, 2 years execution plan. Optimally, the founders to have a previous expertise with startups in the technology area. It could be possible also a hybrid investment company and a business angel or an investment fund. We've done the seed phase by ourselves to, of course, be faster on the market, but also to convince the investors that we put our honest work into the equipment before to have the funding. We are in a strange position. We have the products, just started the company, have customers, and not yet funded. Regarding us, a technology startup funded by ourselves, that's the squad, not the Google squad, the next coming Google squad, Box2M squad. We are not 19 years old, but we have 19 years of expertise. 3 continents, 8 startups done, 3 in software, 5 in service management, 3 IPRs, and we don't stop. In the end, do not forget, think outside of the box. We big those.